Hi, this is David, CEO and founder of Pure Juicer. Today we're going to look under the hood at our Pure Juicer and we're going to discuss what a two-stage juicer is all about. A two-stage juicer is all about a grinder and a press. And this is what makes the two-stage process. The other important part of our two-stage process is that every part is made from food-grade stainless steel. This is our feed tube. It's custom made for us. It's poured out of molten stainless steel and then hand polished into this amazing shape. This is our offset feed tube that does not have any kickback or minimal kickback. And every part on the machine, every food contact or near food contact part on the machine is made from stainless steel. This is our press plate. Look at the incredible ribbing on the underside of the press plate. This gives it incredible strength. We use a special casting alloy called 17-4PH. This is an extra tough steel that does not bend or flex. It's a lot stronger than the normal 304 stainless steel that people use. All of the parts on the Pure have been custom made for us. So the feed pan and the juice tray are stamped out of 1 millimeter thick food grade stainless steel as well. So all of our food contact parts are all made from food grade stainless steel, including our cutter. Our cutter is an amazing piece of engineering. It's got serrations in it, and then it also is ground on two faces. It's ground on the front and it's ground on the top as well. This forms a very sharp corner that will cut any kind of produce. I don't recommend sugarcane, but you could even do a little bit of sugarcane every now and again, which is like putting a stick of wood in your juicer. I wouldn't recommend it. Then let's move on to the machine. So as you can see, we've taken the sheet metal off the machine so that you can see what it's made out of. So what we're looking at is we have a half horsepower motor, an incredibly strong half horsepower motor with incredible lock rotor torque. The motor itself has two spindles, the front spindle that carries the cutter and the back spindle that drives the hydraulic press. So the other important part of the machine is our hydraulic press. This is our actuator, and this develops 2.5 tons of force. So it's an incredibly powerful, compact hydraulic actuator. And then beyond this, we have an incredible chassis. It's made from cast aluminum, and as you can see, it's ribbed where it counts. This gives us section thickness. Underneath the press and on top of the press, there's 1 inch of thickness. This makes the chassis of our machine incredibly strong. We've actually tested the chassis up to 8,000 pounds. Many of you will say, well, if it'll take 8,000 pounds, how come you're not pressing at 4 tons? And the answer is really simple. We don't need to press at 4 tons. We press at 2.5 tons because we get all the juice at 2.5 tons. Adding more pressure will only cause the machine to wear out sooner. We warranty the machine for 12 years. We want you to be able to pass this machine on to your children. So we design it to work within the envelope it's supposed to work in, not beyond that. In summary, let's take a quick look at what we've done. We have this incredible machine. We have all food contact stainless steel parts. All of these parts are built to last. We use a two-stage juicing process. This is an old process. Olive oil is made this way. Apple cider is made this way. It's a proven excellent process for making juice. So here it is. We've made 2 machines in one. It fits on your countertop. It has an incredibly strong motor that can grind just about anything, and then a super strong press that will press at 2.5 tons of pressure and make the best, the most nutritious, enzyme-rich, dense, silky smooth juice you have ever tasted. Thank you for taking the tour with me.